The Ganga River System. The national river of India, the Ganga is one of the major Himalayan rivers that rise in the Himalayas. To understand the course of river Ganga, two glaciers are important. These are the Gangotri Glacier and the Satopant Glacier in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. So let's draw these glaciers. This is the Gangotri Glacier. This is the Gangotri Glacier, and this one is the Satopant Glacier. The Satopant Glacier. The two main source stream of river Ganga are river Bhagirathi and river Alaknanda. They meet at Devprayag. So this is the Devprayag. So this river is river Bhagirathi, and this river is river Alaknanda. The Bhagirathi river, considered to be the source stream of river Ganga, originates from the Gangotri Glacier at Gaumukh at an elevation of 3,892 meters. The Bhagirathi river meets river Alaknanda at Devprayag. Alaknanda river originates from the Satopant Glacier near the Badrinath Dham. The Alaknanda river is considered longer than the Bhagirathi river. Before its confluence with Bhagirathi river at Devprayag, four sacred rivers join Alaknanda at different places. The first is river Dhauliganga, which rises from Niti Pass near Indo-China border. So this is river Dhauliganga from Niti Pass near Indo-China border. Dhauliganga river meets Alaknanda at Vishnu Prayag. So Dhauliganga river meets Alaknanda at Vishnu Prayag. The second river is river Nandakini, which originates from Nanda Ghunti Peak, and this is the Nandakini river, and it joins river Alaknanda at Nandprayag. So Nandakini joins Alaknanda river at Nandprayag. Similarly, Pindar river originates from the Pindar Glacier. Meets Alaknanda at Karnaprayag. So this is Karnaprayag. And the river is Pindar river. So in this way, Pindar river, which originates from the Pindar Glacier, meets Alaknanda at Karnaprayag. The fourth river originates from the Kedarnath valley, meets Alaknanda at Rudraprayag. This is Rudraprayag. And the river is river Mandakini, which originates from the Kedarnath valley, and it meets Alaknanda at Rudraprayag. So in this way we can see there are 5 prayags. The first is the Vishnu Prayag, confluence of Dhauliganga with Alaknanda river. The Nanda Prayag, here we see the confluence of Nandakini river at Nandaprayag. Next is the Pindar river, its confluence with Alaknanda river at Karnaprayag. And the fourth is river Mandakini, its confluence with river Alaknanda at Rudraprayag. So these are four Prayags. The fifth one is the Dev Prayag, where we see the confluence of Bhagirathi river and Alaknanda river. So in this way, there are five Prayags. These are called the Panch Prayag. So in this way, Bhagirathi river and Alaknanda river meets together at Dev Prayag, and from Dev Prayag, these two rivers together form the famous Ganga river. That means from Dev Prayag onwards, it is known as river Ganga. From Dev Prayag to Rishikesh, and after Rishikesh, the Ganga enters the Gangetic plain at the pilgrimage town of Haridwar. So here it is Haridwar. From Dev Prayag to its final destination, that is the Bay of Bengal, river Ganga passes through five Indian states. These are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. After Haridwar, the major sites on the bank of river Ganga are Kannauj, so this is Kannauj, then Prayagraj, then we have Gazipur, Chhapra, Patna, Sonpur, Kursela and Farakka. At Farakka, we see its branches. The first branch, known as Hooghly Bhagirathi branch, flows in West Bengal. The main branch of Ganga enters in Bangladesh. Here it is called the Padma. The Padma river is joined by the Jamuna river and the Meghna river before it emptying into the Bay of Bengal, forming the famous Ganga Delta. So this is river Jamuna, this is Jamuna river, and this one is Meghna river. Together they form the famous Ganga Delta or the Sundarban Delta. Now let's see the tributaries of river Ganga. The first tributary is river Ramganga, which meets river Ganga at Kannauj. So this is river Ramganga. This is Ramganga, and Ramganga is the first tributary of river Ganga. It meets river Ganga at Kannauj. The second is river Yamuna. River Yamuna originates from the Yamunotri glacier. It flows south and it meets river Ganga at Prayagraj. River Yamuna is the longest tributary of river Ganga. Some rivers that meets the river Yamuna at different places are river Chambal. Chambal river is a famous river of Madhya Pradesh. It meets river Yamuna at Etawah. So this is the Chambal river, which originates from the Vindhya range and meets Yamuna at Etawah. So this one is the Yamuna river, which is the longest tributary of river Ganga. The second tributary of river Yamuna is river Betwa. It also rises from the Vindhya range. This is Betwa, and it meets river Yamuna near North Hamirpur. Betwa river meets Yamuna near North Hamirpur. So, at Prayagraj, the Ganga joins 1444 km long river Yamuna at the Triveni Sangam. The second left bank tributary of river Ganga is river Gomti. The Gomti rivers join the Ganga near Kathi in the Gazipur district of Uttar Pradesh. The Gomti River originates from Gomat Tal, also known as the Fular Jheel, in Pilibhit district of Uttar Pradesh. The next important left bank tributary to river Ganga is river Ghagra. It meets river Ganga near Chhapra. So this is the Ghagra river. The Ghagra river is also known as the Karnali river in Nepal, Mapcha Sangpo in Tibet, and the Saryu river in the lower Ghagra area. The Ghagra river, which originates in the Tibetan plateau, cuts through the Himalaya in Nepal and joins the Sarda river at Brahmaghat in India. At Brahmaghat, it is joined by the Sarda river in India. The next river is River Son. It originates in Madhya Pradesh and it meets river Ganga near Patna. So this is Son river. It originates from the Amarkantak hills, Amarkantak hills in Madhya Pradesh. The next is River Gandak. River Gandak originates in the Great Himalayan Range and it is formed by the union of Kali and Trishuli river. From this junction to the Indian border, the river is known as the Narayani. Flowing through Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, river Gandak joins Ganga at Sonpur. The next is River Kosi. River Kosi is a transboundary river which flows through China, Nepal and India. It is also known as Saptakoshi for its upper 7 tributaries. These are Tamur River, Arun River and the San Kosi. The San Kosi has 5 main tributaries: the Dudkoshi, Likhukola, Tamakoshi, Bhotekoshi and Indravati. It crosses into northern Bihar and it joins Ganga near Kursela in Katihar district. So this is river Kosi, which is also called as Saptakosi. The Kosi is the third largest tributary of Ganga by water discharge after the Ghagra and the Yamuna. In this way, river Ganga, the 2,525 km long river, passes through the mainland of India and Bangladesh, then it emptying into the Bay of Bengal. The Ganga Delta or the Sundarban Delta is the world's largest delta. It stretches 400 kilometers along the Bay of Bengal.